If you're new to Meta Threads, this video is going to explain exactly how you get to your first 1,000 followers. I'm going to lay out the exact strategy. If you don't have the next 5 minutes to watch this video, then, good luck. Go on your way. But if you do have 5 minutes, you're going to learn a really solid strategy to get to your first 1,000 followers. Okay, let me pull up my phone and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. All right, let's go. All right, so once you've gotten logged in, the first thing you want to do is set up your bio. Now, this is linked to Instagram. The other thing you're going to want to do is make sure that when it prompts you to follow and engage with all the people when you get signed in, just follow everybody. That's cool. Regardless, now that you're in, the first thing you want to do is follow your optimize your bio. So your name, very clearly, you want to state what you do. I help thought leaders launch and automate podcasts. I'm into entrepreneurship, AI, and family. Oh, yeah, and long walks on the beach. And I think that's something that you want to keep in mind for Threads. Threads is going to be hip. It's going to be fun. You got to keep it light. Don't just try to pitch too quickly in your bio. The other thing you'll notice here is I've listed marksavantmedia.com. You might also say, Mark, you only have, well, they all got 846 now. I'm getting like 75 followers every hour. So maybe by the end of this video, we'll have 1,000. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, this strategy will work. It is working for me right now. Oh yeah, and by the way, I just posted this. What's up to everybody on Threads right now? I got Jacob Joseph Clean. What's up? I'm Lena Levine. What's up? Coach Deb, what's happening? Way to go. Way to go. Aluna.ai. Thanks for leaving a thoughtful comment. And yeah, there's your shout out. If you want shout outs, make sure you like this video. All right, cool. So anyway, you've got the first part down, which is optimizing your bio. The second thing you want to do is get clear on what are the accounts that have the audience that I want to reach, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to go to your search bar and you're going to find accounts that have the audience you want to reach, right? So like in my case, I'm following a bunch of business accounts. So for example, I'm following Tim Ferriss. I'm following Entrepreneur, Ed Milet, Evan Carmichael, right? Oh, Marie Forleo, she's awesome. So again, in my case, I want to follow entrepreneurs. I want to reach entrepreneurship audiences. I want to reach people just like you who are trying to build, growing, thriving, cash flow, positive businesses. Revenue is great and all, but we want profit. We want cash flow, right? So anyway, those are the types of accounts that I'm going to follow, okay? Next, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your home feed. It looks just like this, and you're going to find those people that are posting. So let me see here. Zuckerberg, he posted 1 minute ago. So I'm going to like that. I'm going to leave a comment like, who's laughing now? Again, you're going to leave quick, thoughtful comments and likes on all the accounts that have the audience that you want to reach. Again, it's not good enough just to put up like hand emojis and something like that. You want to keep it valuable. Keep it valuable, all right? So you don't need to go crazy, but like here, Evan Carmichael, for example. And let me see here. He didn't post anything interesting. I'll see if I can find one more here real quick. Again, what I'm doing is I'm looking for the people that are big. Now, the other thing that, by the way, I want to mention is like, I don't care about what you're having for dinner, so if you're seeing stuff that you just don't care about, what you might do is mute them, right? So that's important. Like my positive outlook, remember to breathe. Like that just seems like a bunch of jumps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit these little 3 buttons here and I'm going to mute them, right? So when you first log in, it's going to be showing you a bunch of different stuff. If you're not interested in it, mute it. That's a really easy way to clean up your feed so that all you're seeing is gas. So what does it say? Sugar punch marketing. By the way, that's why this app is so amazing, is because you're going to get introduced to people you have no idea who they are, right? My non-social media using husband just asked me if I was on Threads. Sir, why do you think I was up so late? All right. And then, the other cool thing that you can do is leave GIFs. So again, I'm just going through this really quickly right now, but I might use a GIF. Here's something like, Little John turned down for what, right? Again, it doesn't need to be crazy thoughtful, but the more thoughtful you are, the more time you spend, the better. And so what's going to happen is when people see you leave a fun, thoughtful, clever comment, is they're going to follow you. They're going to follow you. I promise you it's going to work. Look, if you look here, I'm growing my followership like crazy. I just got 296 new followers. And it's that simple. Follow the accounts you like, mute the ones you don't, leave thoughtful comments and engage. And then on your own post, on your own thread, you're going to leave little little comments and whatnot. Again, quick, like, what's up, YouTube? I'm recording a Meta Threads app tutorial right now. Did we get any more comments? Nope, that's it. These are the 4 that get it. Jacob Joseph Kling, what's your personal favorite podcast episode you've made so far? Probably my last one with Patrick Bet David. Super, super practical. I'll put a link up here so you can check that out. He explains how he talks to his wife about money, and I think it's really, really good. I'll, again, post that up there. Anyway, enough of me. Smash the like button because I'm going to give you more tools on how to grow your Threads account in the very near future. That's it. I'm going to go ahead and post this. I'll catch you next time. Peace.